Well, hello everybody. Denise here, the Crafty DIYer. We're going to take this dollar store box. It's like a little treasure box, I guess you can call it. And I'm going to upcycle this using some paint. I've got some lace, and I'm going to be using the printable called Flowers in Bloom, this beautiful peonies. But I went ahead and I painted it white. I painted inside, the sides, everything. Now this here had this little string here, and it's meant to close, so like that's how it closes. Well, I'm not going to display it closed, so I just cut that off. Okay, I just cut it off, and we're going to hide the holes with some paper. We're going to put some lace and a printable here. We're going to do some along here as well, and we're going to do the top as well. Now I painted this in White Swan. It's chalk paint. We're going to seal it with just like a decoupage medium. So I'm going to put these on. Yeah, let's do the middle first. I'm going to put that. I'm going to cover that up. And just before I place that down, I just want to make sure. Yeah, that's going to be fine. So there's the front already. That's pretty, right? And then I think I'm going to do this where it says enjoy the season. We'll wait until the end. So let's add this on. I'm just going to use my fabric tack. This is very, very thick. So you always see me kind of just dabbing it, and it's very kind of stringy, but it doesn't need like super duper coverage. Okay. This is cheesecloth. Let's see here. So see how it all curled up like that? And all I did, look, it went from that to that. All I did was rub it in between my hands for like literally 10 seconds. And then we're gonna put that there. So see how it just kind of made it look a little more interesting? Okay, so see how I'm not gluing everything down, right? You see that? See how it's still a little bit up here? Okay, look at that. Isn't that cute? The good thing about wanting vintage and shabby chic is it does not have to be perfect. All right, that's good enough. All right, so we've got that in there, and I'm going to put this in there just like that. So let's put that in there. It's going to look so good. Okay, look at how pretty that is. That fit perfectly. There we go. Okay, nice. So we've got it on the side. Look at that. Here, here, there. And then we open it up and we got a little extra something there. Okay, so I'm going to put that off to the side a little bit, right? And then we put that there. Dollar store, painted it white, added some printables on there. So pretty. Like that. Okay. How cute is that, right? I hope you enjoyed today. I hope you were inspired. All right, guys, have a great night.